Hello everyone and welcome to your third Adobe After Effects tutorial, creating a new composition. Now in this tutorial you will learn how to create a new composition and you will learn about the various properties involved in making a new composition. So let's start. In order to create a new composition there are two ways. The first way is that we just go into the composition menu, click on the new composition, and then the new composition pop-up dialog box will appear. And then the second way is that you just click on this icon over here and then a new composition will be created. So let's start learning how to make a new composition. The first one of the most important things is the composition name, because it allows us to organize and manage our files in a proper manner. Now, without a proper name we will be confused what does the composition contain. So let us start off by naming it tutorial 3 new composition. Now moving on to the second main thing, preset. Now what is meant by this preset is the ratio of the width to the height. Now these presets are basically the standards used overall in the world. So there are many standards over here. Let's see. So these are the standards being used currently all over the world. For example, NTSC DV widescreen is currently being used in America, 720 by 480 pixel, and that is the resolution of the YouTube videos that you watch. But for the purpose of this tutorial I will be currently using PAL DV widescreen square pixel. Now this is a standard of India. So according to Indian standards I will be setting this. The height and width have already been adjusted. Now coming on to the next is the pixel aspect ratio. Now we have square pixels over here. So the pixel aspect ratio is just a mathematical comparison between the width of a pixel to the height of the pixel. So square pixel here means that the width and height of a pixel will be the same. Now the next thing is the frame rate. The frame rate is basically how many frames per second will be viewed in our composition. Any video is made up of a series of a photo. So if we move those photos fast enough, it will give the illusion of being in a video. That same thing happens over here. We just play those photos, or we can say we just play those frames in such a manner that it gives the illusion of being in a video. So this is the default standard, 25 frames per second. We'll leave it to that. The resolution is what quality of the composition is being previewed over here in the composition. Now the next important thing is the duration. The duration is how long your composition is. For example, if you want to show a movie of a 10 minutes, let's say it's a short movie, so you will set here 10 minutes and then the time will be set 10 minutes, 10 seconds and so on. I'll just delete this, and for the purpose of this tutorial I will leave it at 10 seconds and click OK. You can see a new composition has been created. This is the tutorial 3 new composition. So guys, that's it for this tutorial, and you will learn more in the later tutorials. Thank you for watching.